You have completed more than half of the body. Next, we need to add decreases. Just like increases help you grow your piece, decreases help you narrow it down. Let me show you how a decrease is done, and then we will move on to your plushie. A decrease is worked into 2 following stitches. Insert your hook under the front loop of the first stitch. This is called front loop only. The back loop stays behind. Then, without moving away, insert your hook under the front loop of the next stitch. You now have those 2 front loops on the hook, along with the working loop. Yarn over and pull through the 2 front loops first. You now have 2 loops left on your hook. Yarn over again and complete the stitch. This combines 2 stitches into one. The post of a decrease looks a little different from a regular post. To frog a decrease, pull the working yarn until the top loop is free, then pull the loop out of the 2 front loops. Your working loop will stay right above the last stitch you made, and the decrease is now fully unraveled.